This is a quick demonstration video for the master students at Freiburg on how to DIY your own Medingen prayer book facsimile. So this is the facsimile of a manuscript held at Göttingen at the Staats- und Universitätsbibliothek, and I've given you for downloading a PDF which has arranged the pages so that you can just print them out and cut them up and rearrange them into a booklet. So it's important that you choose as options when printing out double-sided, color, and actual size, so that it doesn't compress this size and that it doesn't end up being smaller than the actual size, because it should come out as A4 directly representing the original size. Once you have printed out these 3 double-sided pages, you cut them up into to form 6 sheets of A5 paper, all double-sided. The next step then is to take off the white outer margin to make it look more like a digital, like a physical manuscript. Obviously, you don't want to cut through the middle because you need that to be able to sew through this. Then you have to sort the pages. It's best if you start with folio 7, where you see St. Anne at the bottom, and then stack behind it folio 8, folio 9, folio 10, and so on. And then you should have on the outer side the original booklet. The booklet was kept in Medingen in the scriptorium as a loose little gathering. So the binding in the library is just a 19th century binding, and you see the binding stitches in the middle here. So we are going to imitate that by sewing this into a cardboard cover. I've just recycled a postcard, which is actually what the nuns quite often did when they did these Koppelt bindings, so limp bindings for temporary measurement. So you make a knot at the end of your thread, you stitch it through the middle, going down through the bottom hole, going back through the loop in the middle, and then pinching it once more at the top, back through the center, tie the knot, and voila, St. Anne is safely stitched in. Enjoy!